like a certain type of shoe and you just wear it forever. Because that's what I'm doing with these white Vans. These are literally like 2 years old and they're disgusting. But I feel like I can just wear these around and not worry about it. I think that's why I like them so much, but damn. I don't want to get the new ones dirty, so I'm just gonna keep wearing these till I literally can't anymore. Damn! These are a little rare too, so I'm stoked on those. What is going on, everybody? So today, it's a pretty exciting day. Many of you guys already know what this video is about just because of the title, and it is the introduction of rolling anti-lag on MHD, the new feature that just came out. I believe it's version 3.10 on MHD. A lot of people have been excited about this feature, and I do know that this kind of feature is coming to boot mode. So be ready, boot mode users, because it's coming. So yeah, today's video is gonna be about that feature, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works and if you should do it or not. Let's get right into the video. Tune is on, all right. The anti-lag is on, and it was a full write, okay? So it completely reset the, erased the old stage 2 and with the new one, because it's a new update, so. Yeah, the car's on the new fresh stage 2 tune with the anti-lag option selected. And so the thing is with this is you can actually do it standstill, and I wanted to show you guys that. I'm still trying to understand how it works exactly, because I know you press the set button. Okay, the wind is probably so bad. Once you hit full max boost, for example, I have 8 PSI selected. It holds at 8 PSI for a few seconds and then it stops. So you really just have to know when to let it off, and that's when having a boost gauge is really helpful. So I recommend you guys, if you really are going to use this feature, get a boost gauge, because it'll help, and you'll be able to see when you hit that target, when you can let off the set button, all that kind of stuff. All right, here we go. All right, listen. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna work. I think the car has to be in operating temp, but here we go. So that was it. It kind of let off. I don't know why it does that. Probably something like for safety. I don't know, but I'll do it again. Oh my God. That is probably the most obnoxious thing. I'm gonna put you guys on the GoPro and we'll get into the driving clip. So yeah, let's go ahead and go swap over to the GoPro. So excited to show you guys this, like you have no idea. And I have a lot of people asking me like, how are you doing this? And it is actually an option you can select on your tune. Your update on MHD needs to be 3.10. That's the latest and greatest update that MHD has released. You have to do a complete new revision, okay? So when you select this option, it's gonna rewrite your car, like completely. So be wary of that. You need to select the option. It's gonna be right at the top. You're not gonna miss it at all, I promise you. So you need to select the anti-lag option. This won't work unless it's at operating temp, okay? So right now I'm just below 250. That's operating temperature for me. God, there's so many turns. This is the one time I'm complaining about turns. So we're gonna say right above 3,000 RPM. This is what I recommend. Hold the set button right here. So you need to hold it down and then hit full throttle and then keep holding the set button down, just like this. Hold it, full throttle, let go. It's that easy. So I'll do one more example for you guys. Okay, ready? Hold down set, let go. That's all it is. And honestly, like if you're just daily driving, I don't recommend you do this. And the main reason why is because, as many of you guys know, anti-lag is not the best for your car. But if you're racing, anything like that, do it, because it's going to be the most beneficial for you. It's going to build boost off the line. I hope each and every single one of you guys enjoy this video as always. Drop me a like if it helped you out. And if you have any more questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or drop a comment. Either way, yeah, go have fun with this feature. It's brand new. I think everyone should experiment with it and try to figure out how it works. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.